Hello engineers, welcome to our next lecture. Entries in the garbage record book. Clear? What are the different entries in the garbage record book? Clear? Garbage record book, that is GRB. Now you all are thinking that sir एक garbage ही तो है, इतनी rules, too much rules, regulation, entries, officer in charge. Clear? So better to don't say garbage record book. Don't say just GRB. Clear? पहले श्री लगा दो, श्री GRB. Clear? श्री GRB means श्री garbage record book G, because there are lots of regulation, no? So कुछ ना कुछ तो स्पेशलिटी है भाई गार्बेज रिकॉर्ड बुक में. क्लियर? चलो. सो नाउ व्हेन गार्बेज इज डिस्पोज्ड इनटू द सी, सो एंट्रीज इन द गार्बेज अकॉर्डिंग टू द different rules and regulation. First rule is, suppose when garbage is discharged into the sea, means during voyage. Clear? So when garbage is discharged into the sea, that is C means S. Clear? So जब garbage हम discharge कर रहे हैं, getting or not, like food waste, getting or not, rules and regulations हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना, getting or not, disposal of garbage as per outside special area or disposal of garbage as per inside special area. So there are certain rules and regulations regarding the disposal of garbage like food waste, cleaning and additive agents, wash waters, and many more things. Clear? So if we discharge that specific garbage into the sea during voyage, clear, then be ensure date and time of discharge. ये पता आपको होनी चाहिए. What are the position of ship? That is latitude and longitude. Clear? Latitude and longitude. कैटेगरी ऑफ गार्बेज डिस्चार्ज, विच टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी हम लोगों ने डिस्चार्ज किया, फूड वेस्ट है और अदर टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी, राइट. एस्टिमेटेड अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्चार्ज फॉर ईच कैटेगरी इन क्यूबिक मीटर, मींस हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्चार्ज. क्लियर? उसकी आपको वैल्यू बतानी है इन क्यूबिक मीटर, दैट इज मीटर क्यूब. सिग्नेचर ऑफ द ऑफिसर इंचार्ज एज पर मेंशन्ड इन GMP, that is garbage management plan, as per mentioned in garbage management plan. Who is the in charge of this garbage record book? Of course, as per mentioned in garbage management plan, it may be chief mate, second engineer or chief engineer. Clear? Now see, so this is when garbage is discharged into the sea. Now second factor, when garbage is discharged to reception facilities ashore or the other ships, means reception facilities, like means R. Clear? Code word is R. For first, when garbage is discharged into the sea, code word is S. Now when garbage is discharged to reception facilities ashore or to the other ships, means that is R, means reception facilities. Again, four main entries. Again same, date and time of discharge, port or facility or name of the ship. Clear? Port or facility or name of the ship. Again, category of garbage discharge, estimated amount discharge for each category in cubic meter. Again, signature. Clear? So always remember date and time, position of the ship in case of when ship is sailing, or we can say when garbage is discharged into the sea, then write down the position of the ship. But when the ship is at port, then we need to write the port or facility, port name or facility, or we can say name of the ship, right? Means to other ship, so name of that ship. Clear? Category of, again same thing, category of garbage discharge, estimated amount of garbage discharge in cubic meter, signature of officer in charge. मतलब आप एक स्टोरी बना लो ना, आप पोर्ट पर आए हो, then again date and time of discharge, like स्टोरी अपने माइंड में बनाओ. So this is R. Code word is R. Clear? Now entries in garbage record book. Again, third thing is when garbage is incinerated. So till now हम लोगों ने क्या क्या पढ़ा? When garbage is discharged into the sea means code word is S. Second thing, when garbage is discharged at the port facility or the port, we can say reception facilities. Clear? Means R. Means reception facilities. Now, when garbage is incinerated, now my code word is here I. Incinerated. So again date and time of start and stop of incineration. तो आप जब भी देखोगे, आप जब इंसिनरेटर स्टार्ट करते होगे तो आपको सेकंड इंजीनियर क्या बोलता है? प्लीज डेट एंड टाइम ब्रिज ऑफिसर ऑन वॉच को बताओ. ऑफिसर ऑन वॉच को बताते हो कि सर माय स्टार्टिंग टाइम ऑफ इंसिनरेटर इज सर एट दिस टाइम एंड स्टॉपिंग टाइम ऑफ इंसिनरेटर इज एट दिस टाइम. अकॉर्डिंगली योर ऑफिसर ऑन वॉच, क्लियर, जो ब्रिज पे है वो फाइंड करता है the position of the ship, latitude and longitude, clear, at that time. So date and time of start and stop of incineration, position of the ship, estimated amount incinerated in cubic meter, again signature of the officer in charge of the operation, clear. So S stands for C, R stands for reception facilities, I stand for incinerator. So this is the reason why too much of regulation. अब आगे लगा दो GRB, तो श्री गार्बेज रिकॉर्ड बुक. क्लियर? नाउ वन मोर थिंग. अब ये फोर्थ वन जो है ना, क्लियर, ये एक्सीडेंटल और अदर एक्सेप्शनल डिस्चार्ज ऑफ गार्बेज. बिकॉज ऑफ सम एक्सीडेंटल और अदर एक्सेप्शनल डिस्चार्ज ऑफ गार्बेज, अगेन you need to write down the time of occurrence, port or position of the ship at time of occurrence, estimated amount and category of garbage, circumstances of disposal, escape or loss, the reason, therefore the general remarks. Clear? Therefore and general remarks. Clear? So these are the different entries which is entries in the garbage record book. Clear? Again code word क्या है? SRI, SRI, and last one is accidental case. Clear? So S means when garbage is discharged into sea, R means when garbage is discharged to reception facility, JSOR, and I means when garbage is incinerated. Clear? Yes, chalo. This is all about our today's lectures. Thank you.